How to recover Gmail account without recovery email. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device over here. As you launch your Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar and search for Gmail account recovery. So let's search for Gmail account recovery over here. And as you search for it, simply tap on the very first option that pops up, which is the Gmail account recovery. So let's turn it back to mobile view and tap on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. As you do that, simply scroll down and here under forget your password, simply tap on recover your Google account or Gmail. As you do that, what you can simply do is it will lead us to a new page. So you just have to enter your account that you'd want to recover. So let's search for this one and then tap on next. And here, what you can simply do is you have to enter your password. So you can directly enter your password or you can just tap on any other way like your authentication app, or you can get your WhatsApp on your particular number that you have saved or so on to recover your Gmail without recovery email. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.